Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set up face unlock on Vivo Y200. If you're using Vivo Y200 and now you want to set up your face unlock on your phone, so let's see how you can do this. So you just have to open your phone settings and then scroll down and look for password and security from here. Select it, then select face from here, and then you have to enter your phone password if you have. And after that you'll get something like this. If you want to add a face, you just have to tap on start enrollment. Then you have to enter your face here. You just have to wait for this process. After the process, you just have to tap on OK, and then you'll get a menu or something like this. If you want to use your face to just screen unlock, you just have to enable this first setting. Here's the second setting, which is you have to use your face for app encryption like app lock. You can enable the setting if you want. Is the animation style what will appear on your lock screen while your phone is scanning your face. So that's how you can easily set up your face unlock on your Vivo app Y200. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.